Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your iPhone XR is updated and ready. Once done, open the camera app and immediately swipe to portrait mode. Position the object within about 2 to 8 feet. This distance gives the depth sensor enough separation to calculate a natural blur. Keep the object centered and steady, and make sure the lighting is even. Portrait works best with clear edge contrast. Tap to lock exposure quickly so the frame won't shift while you set composition. Next, refine focus and exposure. Tap the object to lock focus and drag the sun icon to adjust brightness. This prevents mid-shot shifts. Choose a portrait lighting effect to alter mood. Natural light preserves realistic tones, while stage light increases contrast for drama. If you need ultra-sharp shots, mount the phone on a tripod or steady surface. The XR's depth processing benefits from minimal motion. Also make sure your format settings are appropriate. HEIF saves space, but maintain quality for edits. Now capture several frames so you can choose the best depth map. A quick burst of shots increases your chances of a clean edge around the object. After shooting, tap Edit to tweak portrait lighting, adjust background blur intensity where available, and fine-tune exposure or color. If the background blur looks wrong, increase the distance between subject and background, add contrast at the subject's edges, or move slightly and retake. These fixes correct mistaken depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.